Harris County Health Department food truck inspection on Tuesday, May the 29th, 2018. As you can see, it's pretty early in the morning. I arrived here at 3:15 a.m. in the morning, and I was still number 5 in line. And I talked to the guy that was in front. He said he was here since 1 o'clock this morning. And from experience, I came here before at 6 o'clock and I barely made it because they only inspect the first 25 trucks and I was number 24. So it's about 5:30 right now and a few more trucks have arrived. I'm gonna walk you down the line. And they have got really strict on these inspections, especially the fire marshals. All your vinegar hoods have to be completely welded, no seams. Also, you got to have GFCIs throughout the whole truck. And also, something I learned here when I was here, you can't have no more than 100 pounds of propane. So if you got 200-pound propane tanks, they will fail you for that. So like this truck here got this 100-pounder. That's all that he's allowed. So that's something new I found out when I got here. You learn a lot of stuff when you get here. Some new regulations, new codes, you know, and now you got to have the fire suppression system in 2020. So if you got a truck built in 2018 this year, you must have the fire suppression system. You cannot wait until 2020. A few people with new trucks got busted because of that, so they weren't allowed to get inspected because they didn't have a fire suppression system. I don't have one in my truck because it was built before 2018, but by 2020 I have to have the fire suppression system. That's another $2,500 right there just to get that system put into your trucks or your trailers. Also, make sure you bring your generator, bring a backup generator if you need. So since we have time, I'm gonna talk to this guy. He want to be interviewed here on YouTube. So check him out.
My name's Joe Silver, also known as Hot Dog Joe. I built this little hot dog stand here about 10 years ago. I have 6 of them going today. If you're interested in buying any of these, renting them, renting to own them, please give me a call. 832-703-4175. So,
all right, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and get you a food truck and have a great day. Thank you.